7 year search for missing brother leads jail official to Surat under trial. Surat. It is a story that begins with a family script. Boy fails class 10 exam, walk around of home, never to return. After a futile search for him, family gives up hope. Gives up hope. आशा छोड़ दी थी फैमिली ने एंड विथ अ फेरेटल ट्विस्ट द बॉय's younger brother grows up to be a jail sepoy, looks up prison's record and find his long lost brother. He is launched in another jail in narcotics case. In 2006, Bharat Bhai Patel, alias Bharat Chaudhary, a resident of Golvi village in Diodar Taluka of Banaskantha, left his house as a 15-year-old. He had failed his board exam and his parents had given him to Tangla Singh. Bharat, he eldest of five siblings, came down to Surat and started working in diamond units, cutting off all contacts with his family, who had by then given up hope of ever returning with him. Talking to the Indian Express, Surat Jail Superintendent J.M. Desai said Bharat left his house in 2006 when he was around 15 years old and came to Surat, where he started working in a diamond units. He later moved to Ahmedabad, where he started working first as a helping in a luxury bus and later as the driver of the bus. Someone in 2021, Bharat was driving in National Highway 48, returning from Jalgaon in Maharashtra. When the Surat rural Police, acting on a trip of waved down his bus at Kamraj and recovered 55 gram of ganja from him. He was booked under section of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act and sent to judicial custody in Surat Central Jail. Desai said that while in Ahmedabad, Bharat got married and the couple now have a 6-year-old daughter. All this while for over 17 years, Bharat never contacted his family in Banaskantha, he said. Meanwhile, Bharat's younger brother Dashrath Patel completed his graduation and joined the State Prison Department in 2017. Wow. A couple of years ago, he was posted as a Sipai in Ahmedabad Sabarmati jail. Dashrath Patel said, for many years we searched for Bharat Bhai in Ahmedabad, Surat, Saurashtra, everywhere, but failed. But it was a wound that never healed. Some day ago, during conversation with my college, I brought up my brother's case, and one of them suggested that I look for Bharat Bhai on the e-person portal just in case he is launched in some jail. I immediately went to our jail office and checked the portal. The search through up result Bharat Bhai Ekman Bhai Patel, a 32-year-old under trial prisoner lounge at Surat Central Jail, Lajpur. I checked the detail of the prisoner and found that everything matched the name of our village, taluka, and district. I immediately got in touch with my friends at Surat Central Jail, and they confirmed that the prisoner was indeed my elder brother, Bharat Bhai. A few days ago, Dashrath reached Surat jail with his father, uncle, and cousin for an emotional reunion with Bharat. My mother could not come due to her ill health. We all cried a lot. Some of the jail officials too were emotional. Bharat Bhai said he should have come back home much earlier, said Dashrath. He told us about his wife and daughter. He also told me not to try and meet them till he gets out on bail. When we did a video call with our mother, Rukmaben, and sister Bharatbhai started crying loudly. Bharat's lawyer KD Seladia said after the Surat Sessions Court denied our bail application, we have applied for it in the High Court. The hearing will be held in the next few days. Gujarat's e-Persons portal, which Dashrath used to track down his brother in an executive database of prisoner with photos, present and permanent address of the prisoner, past offense and medical illness or disease, if any, among other details. Additional Director General of Police State Person headed Dr. Kalna Rao said that after an evaluation by the Ministry of Home Affairs of all persons in India, Gujarat was placed first in the e-person ICJS person module. This show the consistent hard work and dedication by Team Gujarat Prisoner over the last 4 years, he said. Thank you.